Thank you for buying this 15774 serial dispenser from Fixture Displays. You got a set of 2 units. They are identical. They are designed with this setting for wall mount. If you choose to mount tabletop, we also have the stands we can sell. We provide the drywall screws and anchors. You can certainly use your own hardware if your wall situation is different. In this family, we have 15773, 15774, and 15775, 3 different sizes. That is 6 liters, 10 liters, and 13 liters. For about 2 gallon, 5 gallon, and a 3 gallon capacity. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. We have drilled 4 holes to match that of the bracket. This is wood in demonstration. You don't really need anchors or that big a hole, but we're trying to simulate a drywall situation, and you want to insert the plastic anchors into your drywall. If there's any excess, use a knife to trim it off. Then you can fasten your bracket. The orientation of this video is horizontal. In reality, you should look vertical, and make sure your bracket's opening is facing up. In addition to these 3 narrow dispensers, we also have a wider body unit. The part number is 16928. And if you just search dispensers on fixturedisplays.com, you should find quite a few options to choose from. And this is how you would hang this unit. Dimensions of this unit is about 22 inches tall and 16.7 inches front to back, and the left to right is 4 inches. Have a nice easy top opening and has a divider to give you a separate chamber for display purpose. That is optional. You can remove that if you so choose. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe, like us, leave a good seller feedback, and a product review. Now this is a lever, a very simple operation, and there is a setting knob. You simply pull and move forward or backward. The backward being the slow or low volume setting. The forward, closer to the user, is high setting. We now have fed the dispenser with some green beans. I'm going to demonstrate different flow velocity with different settings. So this is the low setting. Still a decent flow. Now I'm going to set it forward for higher setting. As you can see, it noticeably faster. And this would be the highest setting. And it pours fairly rapidly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you once again for choosing Fixture Displays for your home or business dispensing needs. Have a blessed day.